Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is control buzzer using push button. The components required for this project are one push button, one buzzer, one battery snapper and a breadboard. First, place a push button on a breadboard. Now take a buzzer. We will connect a positive terminal of buzzer to one of the terminal of push button and the negative terminal of buzzer to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we will connect a battery snapper. Connect a red wire that is positive to the another terminal of push button and the negative that is black wire to the negative rail of the breadboard. Let's connect a battery to this battery snapper. As you can see, when we press the push button, the buzzer rings. This is how you can control a buzzer with the help of push button. Thank you.